Bitcoin's alive, what you gon' do? Mempool fees are high. Ordinal. Where does it stop? Nobody knows. It's a revolution, ayy. Bitcoin is the one, no substitution, ayy. With Shizzy and Yagobi, it's Ordinal Revolution.
Welcome back to Ordinal Revolution. My name is Shizzy. On this channel, we cover the entire Bitcoin ordinal ecosystem. What is up, guys? We have a fun video for you guys today. We have a tutorial video. So on Thursday of last week, Fluid came out and they dropped their staking. It's huge. So that obviously they have borrowing and lending. Then they had the swap, and now they have staking. These guys are just building, and it's really amazing to see. It's always just like every conversation with these guys is like, what's next? And it's always something, So I'm gonna do a quick tutorial video, guys, kind of show you guys how it works, why you should be interested in it, and what it looks like. So without further ado, let's bring up my screen here. First thing you want to do is go to fluidtokens.com. Super easy, super simple, fluidtokens.com. And then obviously they have Cardano and they have Bitcoin. So you're gonna click on Bitcoin. It's going to have your wallet here. If you don't have your wallet connected, you can connect it there. So when you first come here, you're on swap. You just want to go over to staking. So you're going to hit the staking. And then the staking pool is going to pop up. So they have Galactic Goods, which is a rune. And they have Runestone. And then they have Billy Cats. You see there's 113 here, 32 here, 2 here. So it's definitely being used already, which is awesome. Because a lot of people don't know, why would they stake, right? But in this case, so there's 113, so 100,000 billion-dollar cat is split across all the holders. So I mean that's why, and it's only till October 29th. So basically a little before Halloween. So it's not that far away, and you can just earn. And I'm gonna hold Billy Cats anyway, right? Because I'm very bullish on the project. So why not just earn a little something with it, right? So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So first thing you want to do is hit stake, select. It takes a few seconds, but then it pops up, Billy Cat. And it's best to do this with all of them. I wouldn't do one by one because you'd be paying the fees too many times. It's best to kind of make sure that you do a 10. And the max is 10 at one time. So just do 10. And then it's locked. I'm paying 20,000 sat fee. And then I hit stake. It's going to bring up my wallet here. And it's going to tell me everything that's going on inside. All right. So I'm going to be paying the $15 and then the fee of $12 because it's 10. You got to move 10 of them. And then you have to confirm. Boom, done. Staked. So in about 10 minutes, you should see a higher number here, and then you go to your staked, and it'll have your Billy Cat here, and it will tell you how many's in there. It'll say 10. It'll show you one box, which is great. And now I'm earning. You know what I mean? Like, it's how great is that? It's super simple, super easy. Let's kind of go back here, back to the staking. Yeah. So, and if you are a project out there and you're looking to kind of maybe have your project staked, let's just say, you have the the elephant go to the moon ordinal, or and the elephant go to the moon rune. Maybe you've been out the whole supply and you want to give it to the people that hold your ordinal. You can have them come in the Fluid, stake their ordinal, and then they can receive the rune. Let's just say you want to give the entire 100% supply to stakers. Think how big that would be, because if you airdrop it to them, it's cool. A lot of them will just dump it for Bitcoin right away. But if you have to earn it, it gives you a little bit more of that, let me keep it type of feeling. I mean, there might be some people who cheat it, right? We got a bunch of cheaters in the space right now, but there's some people are gonna be like, wow, yeah, that's pretty cool. And then I think it actually gives your rune more value than an airdrop. So if you are a project, think about doing that. Or the other way around. Let's just say you have a rune project and you want to create an ordinal to it. You can have the people stake it, and all the stakers get a whitelist. There's so much things you guys can do. And for now, you have to reach out to Raul and he'll get you set up. But in about a month, they're actually going to have it so you don't even need Fluid at all. You can come here and just do everything yourself, which is phenomenal. I'm definitely looking forward to that. Kind of thinking of ways of how Ordinal Revolution can utilize it. It's really cool. And also remember, their airdrop is coming. They're airdropping people their pass. If you use the swap before August 15th, you're most likely going to get an airdrop of their pass, which is awesome. So you're gonna get a pass, and then you better come here and stake it, and then you'll earn the FLDT. So if someone does cheat it, and puts it on Magic Eden or whatever, you can go buy that, take it to Fluid, and stake it there, and then you can earn the FLDT token, which is the Cardano token, but it's eventually going to be a rune, which is absolutely amazing, right? So we're definitely looking forward to that. And yeah, so that's Fluid. And yeah, that's a show for you guys today. Appreciate you guys watching. Tune in next time. In the words of Yagobi, peace.
Ordinal Revolution. Let's go.